Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get AI walk filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, we have to go to the effect gallery. Okay, let's go to effect gallery. Okay, on the bottom, tab here. Okay, in the trending section, you should see the effect. If you can't see the effect here, tap on the search button and search for AI walk. You will find lots of filter. Okay, lots of filter are there. We are going to use this one, AI walk, 1.1 million videos. Tap on it. Okay, now you can browse a picture from your camera roll and it will load and apply the effect. I'll give you an example. Okay, this was the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to For You page and here search for AI walking effect. Okay, on the top row you will see this effect icons. We are going to use the third one. Tab here, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there and you can use the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effects here, you can see lots of video also here. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, let me tap in this.
जलवा है हमारा.
Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect icon is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button on the bottom of the screen and you can use the effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this AI walk filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.